Hey everybody, Will here from Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to remove and replace the side mirror on a 2006 Toyota Camry. Procedures will be similar for most Camry models from 2006 to 2011, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open the door on the side where the mirror needs to be replaced. Remove the triangle trim piece on the inside of the mirror. You should be able to do this by hand, but a plastic trim tool can also be used if needed. Unplug the electrical connector by pressing in on the locking tab until it disengages. Use a 10mm socket and ratchet to remove the nuts from the side mirror studs. With those nuts removed, you should be able to remove the mirror by pulling straight out on it. Attach the foam insulation piece on your new mirror by peeling the backing off and pressing it firmly into place all the way around. With that done, align the studs on the mirror back with their corresponding holes on the door and install the mirror. Once the studs are through, thread the nuts into place by hand. Reattach the electrical connector by pushing it into place until you hear a click. Then test it to make sure it's locked in place. Use your 10mm socket to tighten the nuts till they're snug. At this point, you can test the new mirror to ensure the power functions work properly before completing the reassembly. Snap the triangle trim piece back into place. Shut the door. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.